Oh, holy shit.
Oh!
He can breathe.
Look, here comes another one, Hayden, behind you. Hayden, one's biting you on the bottom. What have you got, Scarlett? What have you got?
It tickles, doesn't it?
Do you like her?
Yeah.
Gonna give her a little kiss?
Give him a kiss. Good boy.
Good boy.
More kisses, okay. More kisses. Good boy, being gentle.
Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. No, let him lick you. No, 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 no. Oh, Maney, darling, that was so sweet. Aren't they lovely? Do be careful she doesn't bite you, won't you? Darling, that was lovely. That was really lovely.
We do.
Oh, Briley. All right, we'll go ahead and put her back in her bucket so she'd calm down, okay? And she is very well-tempered. Aw.
You like the lizard, Bella? The baby dragon?
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
It's Kelly and it's nice.
She is nice. What kind of snake is she?
I don't remember.
Is she a ball python?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's her name? Stella?
Yeah, Kelly.
Oh.
Didi.
Banana. Savannah. What you doing? What you doing?
Look at Granny.